Hi. I dealt with a lot of humanitarian causes when I was in the Peace Corps, but one thing that bothers me is that very few address birth control. There's no reason to bring more people into this world when we're already overpopulated at 8 billion people, and when you cannot meet their needs. It's just going to cause more suffering. So, while in the Peace Corps we did work on initiatives for sustainability, as far as clean water, which is a very overlooked thing, and providing basic human needs such as farming and other unmet needs. But birth control, clean water, and sustainable food, which is plant-based, vegan of course, because it takes a lot of crops to feed animals, and as proved in America, it is not a healthy or sustainable diet. So we need to focus on humanitarian issues that are sustainable, and that starts with helping the poor with clean water, vaccinations, and birth control, as well as plant-based resources of food. That could save millions of lives, human and animals, and best for human health and animal health. Thank you, and let's learn from our mistakes, China's mistakes, and America's mistakes. And adopt a plant-based diet, help work on clean water initiatives, birth control for all, and vaccinations. Thank you, and support human and animal rights and humanitarian causes as they all are connected. Peace.